MrBeast might just have revealed a new strategy for going viral on YouTube, yet nobody came to notice. In this video, you're going to learn how to master YouTube like a pro so you can start getting the views you deserve and getting your first viral hit. But before we proceed, remember that MrBeast has managed to make 70% of audience retention for every video he makes. And it all starts with a 5-step formula that MrBeast has been following ever since. And it starts with what we call the first 5 seconds. The main objective here, MrBeast intends to meet the expectations from the title and the thumbnail, and he divides it into 2 parts. Let's call it part A and part B. Part A, the first sentence matches the title of the video. B, the first shot matches the thumbnail. Now, this brings us to our second step, the first 20 seconds, and it's divided into 3 core elements. Element number 1, provide context. This means, what do the audience need to know for the video to make sense? Element number 2, introduce the stakes or the payoff. Here I mean, why should the audience watch until the end? Element number 3, create a curiosity gap. This simply means, what do the audience want to know? 1. Secondly, don't give away all the information, because when you give away all the information, that means there is no need for the audience to stay watching. Bonus tip for you, leverage input bias. What I mean here is that show the effort, time, energy, money that went into the video so that the people can appreciate for that time given and have the value for your video or content. Before we start step 3, I'm going to warn you first. Start the video body no later than 20 seconds. Mark that. The video body is our third step and it has 3 secrets in it. Secret number 1, visual variety. So here I mean, every 3 to 5 seconds, break things up with B or C cams, zooms, and other visual dynamics. Secret number 2, consistent variety. Here I mean, incorporate contrast to keep things not so boring. For example, side narratives and contrasting formats. Secret number 3, good pacing. Alternate cycles of high energy and low energy. This brings us to the first step of the MrBeast formula, the video end, which is also a 2-part equation. The main objective here is to leave a lasting impression. What do I mean? 1. Reveal the payoff. 2. End on a high note, either dramatic, awesome, or funny, so that the video ends when people still want more. Now, this brings us to our last step, the post-production. So here is the checklist of the post-production. The main objective here is to cut out dull moments, but wait, how do you realize the dull moments? First, have friends to roster your video. When they do get bored, when are they confused, when do they have to put in effort to follow along? So you should cut out those moments. Secondly, watch people watching your video. Hold on, is it crazy? No, it's not crazy. Just find out when do they get bored or pick up their phones so that you can cut out those moments too. What do you guys think about the 5-step formula? Do you still view content creation the same way after hearing this? Then drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to check out another video about the best trending niches for YouTube 2024 right here.